Welcome to this tutorial on how to password protect a page in Shopify. Password protecting a page is useful for hiding content from the public, such as wholesale pricing or exclusive offers. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on Pages to view a list of all your store's pages. Next, click on the page you want to password protect, or create a new one by clicking the Add Page button. In the page editor, click on the More Actions drop-down menu and select View Page. Now, go back to the page editor and click on the page's URL to open it in a new tab. Copy the URL as you will need it later. To password protect the page, navigate to the online store section and click on Navigation. Then, click on the Add Menu Item button. In the Add Menu Item window, select the page you want to password protect from the link drop-down menu. Name the menu item and click Add. Next, click on the page's three dots and select Edit. In the Edit page window, check the box next to Require a password and enter a password. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, when customers try to access the page, they will be prompted to enter the password. To test the password protection, go to the page's URL you copied earlier and try to access it. You should see a password prompt. Enter the correct password to access the page. If you enter an incorrect password, you will see an error message. That's it. You have now successfully password protected a page in Shopify. Remember to keep your password secure and only share it with authorized personnel or customers. By following these steps, you can hide sensitive content from the public and control who can access it. This is especially useful for businesses that offer exclusive deals or wholesale pricing. Password protecting a page is a simple yet effective way to add an extra layer of security to your Shopify store.